I think this is one of my favorites from this
For
month.
sure.
The next look is by Janhvi Kapoor and I think I'm already feeling hot.
Too good.
Too
She's
good,
killed it.
too good. Killing it.
I'm not sure if I'm a fan of her tweets, but definitely of her airport looks.
Hello guys, welcome back to Pink Villa. I'm Priyanka Modi
And this is Aina Mehta.
and today we are going to review the best and worst dressed celebs of the month. I am very excited
Same
to
here.
actually review it for
Same
the
here.
first time on camera. And guys, I have a few looks on my phone and I think you can see it on screen also. So let's get started.
Let's do this.
The first look is by Deepika Padukone and her monochrome look. I think this is one of my favorites from this
For
month.
sure. It's so nice. It's so chic the way she's mixed her streetwear with like a chic look with those leather pants. I think she's killed it.
I think she's killed it even with her sneaker game. I don't know if it's because of Ranveer that she's upped her game or her stylist is doing a great job, and I think this is an amazing look for the summer.
I think her sneaker game has gotten strong. She's become a Jordan girl because of Ranveer. Like, I totally feel like he's into it.
And I mean, the hair, the makeup, everything is just on
Awesome.
point.
Yeah.
I think this look gets a big yay from us.
Big yay. 10 on 10.
Okay, so the next look is by Kriti Sanon and she's wearing this strappy dress that hugs her body and then flares out, a thigh-high slit. I think it's just perfect.
Yeah, I think it's doing the job for me. Like, I like the geometric design. I like how she's flaunting her body, her curves. So I think, and it's a really hot picture for sure. So
Definitely with like the wet hair and that bronzed glow everywhere. It's
looking
amazing.
fab.
I think it's a yay from me.
yeah, it's a yay from me. Like, she's done a really good job with this one. So
A big
yay.
Yeah.
For sure.
The next look is again by Deepika and she's worn this yellow velvet sabya look for Holi. But I am not a big fan of wearing a velvet suit for Holi.
Yeah,
I am
it's not
hoping
a
she
good
didn't
choice.
actually play Holi wearing this.
Yeah, I'm hoping. I mean, I don't think if like it did a little bit of velvet, it would have worked for me. But I think the whole outfit being velvet and the mustard,
And with gold. I
with-
think it's going OTT.
it's not doing the job for me. Like, there is something that's little off for me. What about you? What do you think?
I am, it's not very off for me. I think velvet is good, but I think this is not the season to wear it. It's a hard yay for me, like, okay.
In between?
Somewhere,
Yeah, like it's a yay nay for me.
Yeah. So the next look is by Kiara. She's wearing this mustard yellow bodycon dress and I think, oh my god.
She's slayed
Perfect.
this outfit. I mean, it's hugging her body so well, and even I like how like yellow is the color for summer, and she's
Yes,
pulled it off
I
really
think-
well.
And even when she's out and about in the city wearing gold flats and nothing else with a mask on her face,
She's still
it's-
slaying it.
Yeah,
So
I mean,
I think
goals.
yeah, goals.
Pure goals.
Only if I had the body, I'd wear this.
Yes, definitely.
For sure.
So I think this look is
Like
100%
a
a
yay.
yay. So the next look is by Kangana Ranaut and I think her airport game is always on point. How is that possible?
She's so good with her airport game, like it's super strong. Like, I'm not sure if I'm a fan of her tweets, but definitely of her airport looks. Like, she slays each and every look at the airport.
मैं पजामा पहन के जाती हूँ at the airport and she's wearing like this proper spick and span sari with like a gold choker, her glasses, her
Yeah.
hair put in a bun.
Yeah.
I think you have to wake up an hour early to only dress up
for the
and go to the airport to look like that. Okay, so this next look is by Kareena and she's wearing this animal printed zebra sort of a quad set. And what do you think?
It's really not working for me. Like, I'm not a fan of this, being very honest. Like, if she would have paired, like, I don't mind prints on prints, but if she would have paired it up with, like, say, solid black pants or something like that, or like probably the other way around, I think it would have worked for me a little, but it's not doing the job for me. What about you?
I think you really need guts to pull this look off, and even though it's kind of like her way to hide her post-baby body, I don't think it's doing the job for us. I mean,
Yeah.
it's very blah.
Yeah.
It's very.
But at the end, she's Bebo and she
Yeah, I think,
always
yeah.
look PHAT.
Okay, so the next look is by Janhvi Kapoor, and I think I'm already feeling hot.
Too good.
Too
She's
good,
killed it.
too good, killing it.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
the strapless dress, the
Yeah.
thigh high slit, the color, the makeup. I want to have what
The
her stylist
picture.
is having.
Yeah, oh my god, it's so
Amazing.
Good.
I
It's so
think
good.
it really needs guts to pull off a dress
Yeah.
like that
Yeah.
with such a risky neckline
Yeah.
and with a red lip and a red dress
Yeah.
and then heels. I think it's fab.
She's done a fab job with it.
I
It's very
think I
hot.
could easily give this look 11 out of 10.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
like
she's
it
her
so
body is
much.
looking great. She's flaunting it so
Yeah.
well, and
she's like, you know what? I've got it. I'm going to flaunt it. I don't
yeah,
care.
Yeah, it's that.
And it's amazing. I mean,
Yeah.
I love that for you, Janhvi. And I think she's doing a fab,
Fab
job.
job.
Fab job. It's a yay.
Yeah.
We cannot talk about this look more because I think we'll keep talking
Yeah,
about it.
it's very hot. It's very, very, very
amazing. Okay, so the next look that we're reviewing is by Parineeti. She's wearing this amazing white pantsuit with like a white bandeau top inside.
Yeah.
Her hair, her makeup, her pose, her outfit.
On point.
It's white. You cannot find a flaw. It's amazing.
Hands down, I think the best outfit I've seen today.
Simple, chic, clean,
Classy.
minimal, classy.
Classy
I
is
think,
the word.
Yeah, and it's a big yay from us. Definitely a big yay.
Yeah.
Now we have Ananya's second look, which is kind of a downer for me. I have to be honest. No, it's not doing it for me.
At all for me as well.
She's wearing, okay, so to describe the outfit, she's wearing this balloon mini skirt, which I think is accentuating her waist. But when you pair it with like another striped,
That too when
crop
it's
top.
like horizontal and vertical.
yeah, with the heels, I think
not doing.
it's just too much to see at one point. Probably if she would have picked
I think
up
there's too much going on.
one piece
Yeah.
at a time.
Maybe, yeah.
But
But like,
no.
see, the thing with me is I can't put my finger on it, like what's wrong. But it's just that when I look and I have one glance, I'm like,
Yeah,
nah, this
not
is not
happening.
working for me.
So I think her game usually is pretty good.
Yeah,
when it
she's
comes
so good
to
with
her
her-
outfits,
yeah,
they're
yeah.
trendy, they're chic.
They knew there's something
Yeah.
we've never seen before. She's pretty
I
nice.
think she's upping her game
She
now.
is, yeah.
But in the spirit of experimenting,
and the
I
spirit
think.
of like being open to whatever comes, I think she
I
went
think-
wrong this time.
No, I think. Not doing it. Last but not the least, we have managed to get a red carpet look, and this Adnavik gown by Sara Ali Khan, I think it's too last season for me.
No, it's not working for me as well, for sure. It's not working.
I mean, it's not that she's not carrying it off, but I just feel that we've already seen it, and in the wake of, experimenting and
Yeah.
with the summer coming along, she could have done something so much better. I mean, her hair and makeup is definitely looking fabulous, but when it comes to like her heels and except the color of the gown.
Yeah, that is one plus point about this.
Yeah.
Like the color, it's fab.
The color is the only thing that I actually like.
Yeah, otherwise it's very like, it's not doing the job for me. So these were the looks for the month of March. Please comment below who your favorite celebrity was and which fashion style you loved the most.
And we will see you next time. Until then, do let us know what more would you like to see from us, and we'll definitely give it a try.